of Students Go Gourmet, and I'm here with my fabulous aunt, Dr. Ellen Bass, and today we're going to show you a spicy apple cider recipe. So we have a quart of apple cider. You can get it from an apple orchard. We've been to a million apple orchards together, or you can get it at the grocery store, usually in the produce section.
Yes.
And we also have some beautiful spices for you from all around the world. We have cloves, and we're going to use about 6. You can use 7 if you like it a little more clovey. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We have 2 stalks of cinnamon. We have some beautiful nutmeg here, and we have some brown sugar.
Very simple, very easy.
So we're ready to put it all together. Auntie, will you be my sous chef? Let's have the cloves.
Yes, we've been warming up the apple cider for a couple of minutes.
It's about
so
medium.
It is ready. You want cloves
medium
first?
High heat. Yes.
Okay.
And this is so quick to make.
Beautiful cloves. Look at those gorgeous cloves.
And what's happening with the cloves is we're infusing. We're infusing with all of these. We're infusing the flavor of the spice into the cider.
Absolutely. You'll want to take the cloves out. You don't want to eat those cloves.
No.
You'll take them out. You'll strain them out.
Trip.
What would you like next?
Now we'll have the cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
The cinnamon's a superfood, actually.
Cinnamon is actually a superfood.
We're going to add some vanilla extract.
Love the smell. Pure, beautiful vanilla.
Beautifully with the apple flavor. It's almost like making an apple pie, but guilt-free.
Yes, indeed.
Let's dump in the brown sugar. It's just 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for a little sweetness to balance the tartness of the apple. And last but not least, we have the nutmeg.
And we've actually calculated this out for you to make it really easy. It's 4 turns of our nutmeg churner for 1/8 of a teaspoon.
And it's so fresh and lovely. Nutmeg is actually another superfood.
Smells
it's an
fabulous.
aphrodisiac. It's native to the Spice Islands, the rainforests.
Yes, but one important thing you must know about nutmeg, you can have too much nutmeg.
Right.
And that's why I like to use this, because it really just going to give a sprinkle and give a flavoring. Because nutmeg, you need to control it, because nutmeg actually is, if you have too much, it can be toxic. It's an hallucinogen, and it actually can be lethal. So I really recommend getting one of these. Sophia and I use it all the time.
All the time.
Use it in bechamel sauces.
Exactly.
And I just love it.
Any kind of white sauce.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it goes sweet and savory. And so you let this steep for a few minutes, and then it's basically ready to
infused.
And you can just take a nice little ladle.
Get ready to go sit on the back deck.
This is great after you've gone ice skating or gone for a nice long walk.
Definitely ice skating for sure.
You can, keep the stalk of cinnamon in there. It's kind of pretty to have it in the glass. Just make sure you don't, drink it down with the cider. Okay, you want to get the other mug?
Beautiful. Yes, I can't wait to have this.
If you want, you can strain the cider so that you get rid of the cloves. You don't have to go digging with a spoon or anything. And now you can really do whatever you want. A lot of people put allspice in cider, which is great. I like to try to keep it simple with the spices we just used.
This is a perfect combination. I love this recipe.
And just a little bit more, and then we'll be ready to go.
And if you'd like to add a little bit of alcohol, you certainly can do that if you want to.
Totally.
You can add a little bit of whiskey, a little bit of Tennessee whiskey.
A little kick in the pants.
And, or you can add a little bit of rum.
Bourbon,
And if you want some bourbon, sure. Kentucky bourbon, absolutely, if you want to.
Okay.
So cheers.